Hello, I am Dr. Varun Gupta, a senior ENT consultant, Dr. Bindu Kumari, our speech language pathologist, and Mr. Rajesh, our audiologist. Today we are discussing about, in brief, a very common clinical condition in our day-to-day clinical practice, which is a throat pain. The common causes of throat pain are viral infections, bacterial infections, acid reflux, smoking, and food irritants. It leads to difficulty in swallowing, irritation, and itchiness in the throat. It may lead to a swelling of lymph nodes as well. It is very important to visit your doctor if you are having some pain in the throat, because it is a very annoying symptom, and though it is not a very serious ailment, and we can get it controlled with the use of simple antibiotics, anti-inflammatories, and antihistaminics. Along with, if there is an acid reflux, we can start with some anti-acidity medicines also. Many a times in case of throat pain, it can lead to hoarseness of voice as well. Means the voice of the patient also deteriorates. So I like to introduce Bindu Kumari to talk about something about the voice hygiene.
When you have throat pain, you need to maintain some vocal hygiene tips. Don't clear throat frequently. Don't whisper. Take adequate amount of voice rest. Don't scream. Use some humming relaxation exercises. Throat pain due to viral infection can lead to involvement of ear. So I will request Mr. Rajesh to mention about this.
Viral infection can lead to hearing loss, and symptoms can be ringing sound, buzzing sound, blocking in the ear, and it also can be hearing loss. So please do not hesitate to come visit to the audiologist and go for the hearing screening test, as it can prevent to your permanent hearing loss.
So regarding the management of throat pain, as you have just seen, it leads to all kind of symptoms like voice problem, a throat pain per se, and it can affect the hearing also. So any clarifications if you want, you can consult us through Librate by any of the methods like text consultation, audio or video consultation.